Hi, this is Brady. I just wanted to show you my garden I'm prepping for the spring. This is my garden my husband and my son built me last year, which I absolutely love. There's a mailbox which I'm going to use to store my gloves and my shovels and my cutting shears and everything, which is a wonderful idea my friend Amanda told me about. So let's go in. This is where I planted 4 tomato plants last year. This is my rhubarb. Actually, that's coming up again, which is beautiful. So excited to do that, make that into jam and pies. And then these were bins that I grew honeydew melon and cantaloupe. And here's another huge bin that I grew my watermelons in. Over here are my blackberries that I transplanted. So last year they didn't produce anything, but this year they should. I recommend keeping them in pots because the roots underground will spread and they will grow up in everything. So keeping them in pots, keep them contained. And this is where I grew stevia and basil. Here's another bin that I grew zucchini in. And then I wanted to show you, these are my bins that I did my compost in, which is eggshells and the goat manure and everything that I put in. I got to turn over the soil. And then these are the rest of my bins with the same compost that I added that I have to turn over and everything. Stay tuned, I will show you what I grew last year, which was amazing, but trying new things and new ways of growing things this year. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.